Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unban someone on a Discord server. Maybe you accidentally banned someone or you just want to give someone another chance. So today I'm going to show you how to unban someone on the Discord server. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. In this panel, select the server where the person you want to unban is located. For example, I will choose this server. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the panel. A menu will pop up below, and here, tap on this gear icon to open the server settings. In the settings page, scroll up and under user management section, tap on bans. In this page, you will see all the members that are banned in this server. For example, I want to unban this member. Simply tap on it. A menu will pop up below, and here, you will now see the unban option. Simply tap on it. After that, you now have successfully unbanned the user from your Discord server. They will now be able to join the server again. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unban someone on the Discord server, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unban someone on the Discord server, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.